Welcome back. This is the prevailing movement of our weather, generally from west to east. That's why we're keeping an eye on this system over Kansas currently right now and over Nebraska. There's the possibility of some snowfall. It will probably miss our area. It might hit Chicago with a little bit of snowfall, but not much. Otherwise, generally, this system is dissipating. We are looking at a system that's developing. It's in the early stages of development for possible severe weather later in the week. Nothing to show you for now. 32 degrees the overnight low, and it will be mostly cloudy tonight. Our winds from the northwest at 15 miles per hour as far as those gusts, keeping things cool. Now, looking at Futurecast for tomorrow, we start out after sunrise with a cloud cover and the possibility of some very isolated pockets of precipitation, but this will all be moving out of the area and we'll have clearing skies by tomorrow night. And if you look up in the sky, you may see something special. We'll tell you more about that just a little bit later. The day part temperatures for tomorrow, well, we start out at the freezing point. We're up into the mid 40s by the noon hour, but you see those winds from the north, they've shifted a little bit from the northeast, and that will continue to keep our temperatures cool. Our high only 50 once again. We've seen that mark before this year, and it's not going to improve that much more over the next 24 to 36 hours. Moving from Tuesday to Wednesday, again, those northwest winds a big factor, a high of only 52 on Wednesday. That's about 10 degrees below normal still. And then Thursday, a shift in the winds from the south, and that brings up warmer air from the Gulf, a high temperature perhaps of 60 degrees. Also, supporting this theory, we are going to take a look at the jet stream now. And you follow, if you would, this green line. It's going to move up, and it shows you that warmer air is moving up from the Gulf south, and this will give us warmer air on Thursday. But that may come with a price because warmer temperatures can support instability in the atmosphere, and developing Friday for the entire viewing area possible severe storms, according to the Storm Prediction Center. Will Redden, our forecaster, will have more on that situation as it develops tomorrow. Now let's go back to the topic of rain for a moment. We did have rain early this morning, so this adds to the totals. We had 2/10 of an inch of rain in Effingham and Robinson, 3/10 of an inch in Terre Haute, Charleston and Paris, just with a little. And the rest of you, well, it wasn't measurable precipitation, though you might have felt a few raindrops. And this adds to what we have for the month already. And look at this. Our average monthly total is usually somewhere around 3 inches of rain, but we this year already in the month of March have had nearly half a foot of rain, so we're about 2 times the normal precipitation amount. Now looking at your 7-day forecast again, keeping mind of that risk of severe weather on Friday. We have mostly sunny conditions, and we have cool, then warm, and then rebounding the wrong way. Cool, but then it changes a little bit on Monday.